Strong.
Good afternoon, grade 3. This is Teacher Chris, and welcome to our online class. So this afternoon, we are going to learn science, okay? So I want you to be ready and get your book in science. Okay, so now we are going to learn about renewable and non-renewable resources. So we are going to know first what is a renewable energy. So if you will see this kind, okay, if you will see this kind of, okay, this sign, meaning to say it is renewable, okay? So what is renewable energy? So renewable energy comes from natural resources that are naturally replenished, such as sunlight, wind, and waves. So they are, when we say renewable, you can renew it again or you can have it again, okay? So our resources here or our energy here is unlimited, okay? So now let's continue. So non-renewable energy, so if you will see this kind of sign, meaning to say it is non-renewable. So again, this is non-renewable. If you have this, if you will see this kind of sign, meaning to say the energy is not renewable. When we say non-renewable, if it is gone already, then you cannot have it. Or we are going to say it is limited. Okay, so now let's continue. So what is non-renewable energy? So non-renewable energy comes from natural resources that are not naturally replenished, such as coal, oil, and natural gas. Okay, so now let's have first the example of our renewable energy. But first, we are going to know what do we use energy for? Okay, wait. Okay, so first, gas is used to heat our homes, water, and to cook our food. So if we are going to cook our food, if we're going to have water, if we're going to heat something inside our home, then we will use gas. Okay, we will use gas, and that is a non-renewable resources or sources. We need energy to power our cars. We use diesel, oil, or electricity for fuel. We use electricity to power lots of things such as lights, televisions, and computers. Okay, so what else? Going to find it out. So solar energy. So this is a renewable energy because of this sign. So solar energy comes from the sun. Okay. Solar means, so if you will see this one, solar means comes from the sun. Okay. So solar energy comes from the sun. The sun can use to give us heat energy. So solar panels are used to convert sunlight into electricity. So this is a solar panel, and we use this one, okay, for our electricity. And then we got the energy from the sun. Okay, next we have the wind energy. What is a wind energy? Okay, so wind energy or wind turbines are used to convert wind energy to electricity. The wind blows the blades around and this movement is converted into electricity. A group of wind turbines is called a wind farm. So this is a windmill. So if you have this one, you are getting energy from the wind. The next, we have the hydropower energy. So again, this is a renewable. It's because of this sign. So hydropower, hydro means water. Hydropower energy that comes from moving water, water that flows down fast-flowing rivers is used to spin turbines in dams that generate electricity. The movement of big waves at sea can also be used to generate energy. So hydro means water and we get energy from the water. So that is what you call hydropower energy. Next, we have the biomass energy. So biomass means natural material. Energy can be obtained by burning natural waste materials such as scrap pieces of wood, dead trees, and unused parts of crops. Biomass is used to create biofuels. Okay, this one. Then we have our non-renewable energy. Look at the sign. So first, we have the coal energy. So coal is mined from under the ground and burned in large power stations to produce electricity. The coal that we use cannot be replaced, so one day there will be no coal left. Burning coal is bad for the environment because lots of carbon dioxide gets released into the atmosphere. Then we have oil energy. Oil is found deep underground and pumped up to the surface for us to use. Oil is burned at some power stations to make electricity and is also used to make fuel, which we use in our cars. So that's why you can drive your car. It's because of this kind of oil. If we keep using oil, there will be eventually be none left. So next we have the nuclear energy. So nuclear power station use uranium as fuel to make electricity. Uranium is a natural resource taken from the ground, so it is not renewable. Nuclear power doesn't produce much waste, so it is a very clean way of generating energy. Then you have the gas energy. So natural gas is found deep underground and is pumped into our homes. We use it to cook and burn it in a boiler to heat our water. The gas that we pump from underground will one day run out and there won't be any left to use. So I want you now to get your book on page 115, okay? So what you are going to do is to write this, okay, this. Okay, the main components of an electric generator and how it works. So this is an example answer only, but you can copy it, okay? And then after that, you are going to have 116. So this is for 115. I'm going to write it here. Okay, you can play again the video so that you can copy it. So this is for 115. So this is for page 115. Okay. And the next one is for 116. Okay. So you are going to copy this one and put it in the table on your book. So this is 116. I'm going to write, this is page 116. Okay, this is page 116. So if you want to copy, the answers, you can play this video again. Okay. Okay, so that would be all for today and thank you for listening. Okay.